In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build SOPs in ClickUp. We're going to walk through creating a clear, reusable standard operating procedure inside ClickUp using docs. Start on the ClickUp home area on the left side of your workspace. This is your central hub, and it's the best place to begin so everything you create stays organized within your current workspace and space structure. Open the More menu in the sidebar. This expands the navigation and reveals features that aren't shown by default. From there, choose Docs. Docs and ClickUp are perfect for SOPs because they let you write instructions, add checklists, and keep related files in one place, all tied to your work. Create a new doc. You'll see a blank page ready to go. Give your SOP a clear, consistent name. A simple format like SOP, process name works great. For example, SOP, client onboarding, or SOP, weekly content publishing. Consistency makes SOPs easy to search and maintain later. With your title set, begin typing the content of your SOP. A reliable structure is to include a brief purpose statement, the scope of the process, who's responsible, the tools you'll use, and then the step-by-step instructions. Keep sentences action-oriented and specific. If a step depends on a certain role or tool, note that right where it's needed to avoid confusion. You can also add a quick prerequisite section at the top so teammates know what to prepare before starting. To make the procedure actionable, add a checklist inside the doc. Click the plus icon in the editor and select Checklist. Use this for the exact task someone must complete every time. Keep each checkbox to a single action, like send welcome email, create project folder, or update status to complete. Checklists help with consistency and reduce errors, especially for repetitive workflows. Next, open the menu by clicking the three dots next to the doc title. From here, choose Attach a File. This is where you bring in reference material your team needs to execute the SOP without hunting around. You can upload from your computer or connect to a storage option and pick what you need, like a template, a spreadsheet, or a screenshot. Attachments turn your SOP into a one-stop resource so nothing is missing when someone follows it. That's it. You've created a structured SOP in ClickUp with a clear title, well-organized content, a practical checklist, and the right supporting files. Keep your naming consistent, update the doc as your process evolves, and your team will always have the most accurate playbook at their fingertips.